Hello everyone, my name is Maurise from class 6C and I love science since I was 2 or 3. Every year I try to celebrate something different about this subject during the science fest. This year I wanted to celebrate something that is not only very cool but also showcases both physics and chemistry at the same time. So I chose displacement as a topic. Today we will see the chemistry of displacement, which is nothing but the process of displacement itself. Then the physics of displacement, which is the law of conservation of mass. And a bonus section which I just added because honestly the applications just blew my mind. So what is displacement? Displacement is a phenomenon where one atom replaces another in a chemical reaction. So in this case it's ferrous ion which replaces copper in the copper sulfate solution to create ferrous sulfate. Now let me show you a live demonstration of this displacement. Since simplicity is spectacular, I chose ingredients from my mom's kitchen. The ingredients I chose are 1 liter of vinegar, also known as acetic acid, and for around 45 grams of baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. First, we have to add the baking soda into the pot, then add the vinegar slowly and stir it. I do this so that it doesn't overboil. We have to do this until all of the baking soda dissolves in the vinegar. We first have to wait until all of the bubbles stop coming, which means the reaction has stopped and all of the baking soda has completely dissolved. And after that we have to start boiling it. Now as you can see, the reaction is slowing down. Now as you can see, almost all of the baking soda has dissolved. And after it all dissolves, we shall start boiling it. Now as you can see, all of the baking soda has dissolved. So now there are a few batches I made earlier, and this one has 90% of it that has already gone. It has been boiling for over 45 minutes now, and we have one that has fully crystallized. As you can see, it's fully crystallized. These are the crystals. Now here's the formula behind this. The sodium bicarbonate plus the acetic acid is equal to the sodium acetate and water and carbon dioxide. Moving on, the physics of displacement, which is basically the law of conservation of mass, is the link between the physics and the chemistry between displacement. This states that matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, it's only converted. Simply put, the matter stays the same before and after displacement. Here's the second fun activity. First, Now this is the weight of the bottle. Now we should add the baking soda inside the balloon. We added vinegar inside the bottle. The reason I am doing this is because some of the baking soda blocks the funnel. So it's important to stir it when it's going in through. Now that we've added the baking soda, now we have to seal this. I'm going to use cellophane tape as that will stop any of the air from escaping. Now this is the combined weight. Now, when I tilt the balloon like this, the baking soda mixes with the vinegar and the balloon starts to inflate. But if you look at the weighing scale, the weight stays the same. Now, my favorite part of this experiment, the applications of displacement. That's right, every shows displacement through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is where plants displace carbon dioxide and water into food, which is glucose, and oxygen in the presence of light. And another example is rust. This is when iron reacts with oxygen and water to form iron oxide, which is basically rust. And did you know that every time you strike a match, you're causing displacement? That's right. Every time you strike a match, burn a candle, light a grill, or start a fire, you are causing displacement because hydrocarbons react with oxygen, which creates heat, light, water, and oxygen. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I hope you like science a bit more after listening to me. Thank you.